How does a cream mixer go from raw materials to a finished machine? Today, let's step inside Dongqing's factory and follow the complete production process of our 7-liter cream mixer. Production starts with raw materials. Metal sheets are cut and measured to prepare them for the machine body. Next comes precision machining. Drilling, grinding, and dimensional inspection ensure that each component meets assembly requirements. Through welding, the main body of the mixer gradually takes shape. Every welded joint must maintain structural stability. After forming, the machine body goes through filling and sanding. This creates a smoother surface and prepares it for painting. After painting and curing, the machine body receives its final surface finish. Next comes final assembly. The 17-kilogram metal body is fitted with a quiet DC motor, control system, and mixing components. After assembly, the machine undergoes operational testing. The mixer is checked from low to high speed, setting by setting. After testing, this is the finished 7-liter high-efficiency cream mixer. With its metal body and stable structure, it is designed for small and medium-sized baking operations. The 7-liter food-grade stainless steel bowl is hygienic, durable, and easy to clean. The machine comes with 3 agitators, allowing you to choose the right mixing method for different ingredients. Now let's see it in action. Add the cream, install the agitator, and start mixing. With 11 speed settings, the mixing speed can be adjusted according to different recipes. As mixing continues, the cream becomes smooth and stable. From liquid cream to a smooth and stable finished texture, this is the real result a professional cream mixer is designed to deliver. After inspection and testing, each machine is professionally packaged and shipped from Dongqing to markets worldwide. It is suitable for bakeries, baking studios, and commercial food production. From raw materials to a finished 7-liter cream mixer ready for production. Every manufacturing step is designed to deliver stable performance.